breathing machine that will represent our lungs. Following are the items needed for the experiment. 1 empty soft drink bottle, 3 straws, 3 balloons, 2 of same color and 1 other color, and colored electrical tape and scissors. Step 1. Grab the soft drink bottle. With the help of an adult, cut it into 2 halves like this. We have to discard the lower part because it's not needed and keep the upper part. Also, with the help of an adult, you have to make a small hole in the cap of the bottle that can allow the straw to pass through it. Next, blow air into the yellow balloon and release it out like this. And tie a knot to it. After tying a knot to the yellow balloon, cut the other part of the balloon like this. Use the cut yellow balloon and cover it on the bottom of the bottle and seal it with a tape. And cut the 3 straws into equal length. And finally, cut the neck of the 2 red balloons. Put the straw inside the red balloon and seal it with a tape so that no air passes through. Check that there are no air gaps by blowing into the balloon like this. Now take the 3rd straw and cut 2 parts at the bottom and 4 parts on the top like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect the 3rd straw to the 2 straws which has the balloons and wrap it with a tape and ensure that it has no gaps in it. And blow and see it so that we make sure that it has no gaps at all. Slide the straw into the bottle and seal it with a cap like this. In the previous part, we had cut the top of the straw into 4 parts. Now, slowly slide those 4 parts down and seal it with a tape. Our breathing machine is now ready. The red balloons represent our lungs and the yellow balloon represents the diaphragm. The straws over here lead us to the bronchi and connect to the lungs. As we pull the diaphragm down, the lungs inflate. And as we leave it, the lungs deflate. You can also represent the breathing machine by drawing a human body and putting it like this. I hope you like my video and please try it